I am Pewter. I was born a farmer's son. My father taught me how to sow, told me that the land could teach me how to grow. If I could keep open my heart, I'd never be apart from the ebb and flow of life. I still hear the words of the one and only verse he sang before he died. The land on which we stand is the only thing we have that can withstand the weight of our lives. So learn to treat the land like you treat your own two hands. Honor its strength, cherish the gifts it holds. And I never needed his strength more than when they knocked upon my door, said it's time to go. Those words struck deep in my heart. To lose the family farm is to lose all I know. My father's fate and his mother's before is what I'd wished for my son, who lies still yet unborn. All he could say is I'm sorry. Leave now while you can, you have been warned. But the land on which we stand is the only thing we have that can withstand the weight of our lives. So learn to treat the land like you treat your own two hands. Honor its strength, cherish the gifts it holds. Seeds give birth to being. What we grow is who we are. It is sacred, it is sweet. And greed is the destroyer. Takes vision from our eyes and the land beneath our feet. And the land on which we stand is the only thing we have that can withstand the weight of our lives. So learn to treat the land like you treat your own two hands. Honor its strength, cherish the gifts it holds. And if it all comes crashing down, well, I don't have the strength to save this town. And if we're all just meant to go away, please know that I'll try my best to stay. Please know that I'll try my best